What if I told that trees and stones speak one day? It sounds impossible, but it's mentioned in an authentic hadith. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, near the end of times, during a great battle, some people will hide behind trees and stones. By Allah, the trees and stones will say, O Muslim, O servant of Allah, there is someone hiding behind me, except for one tree which will not speak, the Garkhat tree.